Act 3. Here we go. Yeah! Got no grenades, can't do shit. Can't do fucking shit. Cause y'all took away my grenades, so I can't do shit. Oh! Okay, let's reset that. Oh my god, these guys know how to kill a person. I need some help. Is there help over here? Grenade. Health. Hey! Little shit. Yeah, you better walk up. Can I go up here? Is there anything even up here? Oh, yes! Took some of that too. Hell yeah. Take all of that. Take all of that. By the way, out of the shell, okay. Oh, nope. Run, go run for it. Still making a run for it. Ah! What the fuck, how did I die this time? You shame me? But how? How the fuck did I die? Oh well, just gotta be careful. Oh yeah, run. Oh, I probably fall off of that. Make it a run, and grenade out! I saw that fucker. Yeah, I'll give you help. Oh. So there was a facility and the hospital this whole time. No, who would have ever known? Shock grenades. I got a shock grenade? Holy shit! Oh my god. Shock grenades. Nope, where the fuck y'all going? Y'all stay here and fighting like a man. Take that shit like a man! Crap. Alright, break. Yeah, suck on that, bitch. Like it? Like that shit? Guess that's it for them. For now. Salt. Gotta swap something out, so fuck this pistol. Let's try this shit out. That's what they were shooting, huh? Okay, gotta move. Oh god, definitely gotta move. Fuck out. Weapons. Woo! This gun got the power! Armor. Shit. Yeah, better hide like a bitch. Alright, take it nice and slow up the stairs, up the ladders. Fuck is that guy? Fuck is he? Is he up there? Yeah, that little shit's up there. Going up there and teaching this motherfucker a lesson. In pain! You bitch! You kidding me? Fucking kidding me? Come on, just die already. God damn it! Yeah, shut up and die. Health pack? Where the fuck do I go off here? From here? Where the fuck do I go? Oh, okay. Yep, da-da. Ooh, okay, making a run. This doesn't seem like death written all over it.
I was hoping you'd show up here. Now I can bury you where you belong, along with the rest of this unnatural fuckery. Believe me, a bullet in the head is gentle treatment compared to what else you had in store for you poor bastards.
Seriously? Get a big fat bonus. Really? You gotta bribe them with money? They don't even want to go for half of the shit that's in here. Can't put me down. Oh, this guy's still alive. Final vault to shut down doors and shit. Okay. Too late, you're dead. Fuck is that? That shotgun. Fuck would a valve be? Probably over there while we just at. Yep. Here it is. Shut out the gas leak. Grenade! Always take 5 shots. Got that frag too.